So we're really excited. We're doing a formal premiere for this. We have a bunch of the actors attending. We have the fans.
This series has been such a huge hit. Why do you think that is?
I think because it's so relatable. It's, they're real people. You can understand what they're doing. You can feel a bit of you in them.
The fact that we were able to do live action, story-based security awareness training, really high production values, and every season better than the one before, really makes it a super hit.
Learning through story is amazing. The story is incredible. The writing and the way they deal with it.
Because the information itself is timely, right? We hear about cybersecurity all the time, especially with the prevalence of social media and just computers in our daily lives.
No, I think the focus was just different on this. The idea was, let's make something really engaging and really entertaining.
For me, I think it's just ramped up in terms of the drama and what's happening with the relationships.
So just when you think it couldn't get any more happens.
Oh wow, the power of storytelling is all I can tell you. We care about the people, we care about what happens to them.
I'm really looking forward to the entertainment value for this, honestly. And I think that's what I love about this series is it teaches you security while also entertaining you as well. And it's a great cast, it's great stories, and it's just really well done.